location change. Okay, so I actually just found out about IKon's 2 new music videos, but I knew about their first music video, but I just haven't watched it. But then I was like, oh my gosh, 3 hours ago, IKon just came out with 2 other music videos, and I'm on my bed, so my camera is just going to be shaking like crazy because walking all the way downstairs or to my desk does not seem appealing to me in the slightest. I don't want to. Don't make me. I don't think people really understand how long I've been waiting for this day. The day that IKon finally would come out after YG forever, like, yeah, I think they're gonna come out soon, and then he just keeps pushing it back. It doesn't happen, and I'm like, oh my god, YG, please, for the love of God. First, because watching Team, like, Who Was Next, Team B was my babies. I was like, Team B all the way. Team B was like, I downloaded their songs from the Win album before even Team A, before Winner, and now IKon, and I watched Mix and Match, and oh my god, I'm so ready. Okay, let's do this. There, that took a long time.
이대로 가면 우린 다시 못 봐. 비행기 떠나면 난 잘 지낼게. 넌 꼭 잘 지내야 되라고 말하고 가면 잘 지낼 수 있겠냐 너라면. 애써 태어난 척하지만 넌 눈물 고였어. 세상 잃어버린 듯한 슬픔이 보였어. 하루만 더 있다가 지금 울고 있다가 영화나 보러 가잖아. 울고 있잖아. 너를 감싸는 아무리 싫다. 너를 밝혀주는 저자를 믿다. 괴로운 얘기는 아쉬우니까 이건 남아 세상 가장 쓸쓸한 멜로디야. Mr. Airplane 잠깐 멈춰봐. 비가 오잖아.
I got to try to make a video.
울잖아. 지금 가면 위험하니까. Mr. Airplane
So is it like those 2 are best friends with each other, but B.I. found feelings for her? I think that's what's going on. Whoa. Look at his mouth. It was like she left. She had to leave. And now every time they think about Airplane, they think about her.
너를 밝혀주는 저자를 믿다. 괴로운 얘기는 아쉬우니까 이건 남아 세상 가장 쓸쓸한 멜로디야. Mr. Airplane 잠깐 멈춰봐. 비가 오잖아. 바람 불잖아. 지금 가면 위험하니까. Mr. Airplane
Who was that server? Oh, I know really flawless. That's not his head. That Airplane was hella spiky. He could be slamming that down in your chest like that.
내게 싫은데 가면 언제 오는데 너와 멀어지는 게 난 두려워. Yeah. 우리대로 자연스러운 이별이 될까봐. 하루만 한 시간만 딱 1분만 잠깐 멈춰봐. 비가 오잖아. 비가 오잖아. 울잖아. 지금 가면 위험하니까.
She bought a ticket somewhere. Oh, did you miss her? Oh, you missed her. Aww. He missed her. I didn't really even say that much. I might have said a lot, but I don't think I said a lot because I was like deep in this storyline. And here's what I think I got it. B.I. and Bobby were best friends with this girl. B.I. had feelings for this girl. This girl's obsessed with airplanes and flying and leaving and traveling. And she, I guess, buys a ticket somewhere. And, or no, not even like that. Like, I guess Bobby, I don't think he had any feelings for her. I think that was just like super platonic friendship. But B.I. had like a little extra little something. She buys a ticket and B.I. finds the ticket while I guess he's like looking through her book, looking through her book, and then he like looks at the date and stuff like that, and he thinks about it. He's all like upset and sad because he's like, oh my gosh, she's leaving. And wow, that girl left and ain't even tell nobody, did she? Wow, that's flaw, fam. And I guess now B.I. went to go find her. I don't know what he was like thinking of gaining. I guess he wanted to say goodbye or that he loved her, but he missed her. And she got on the plane and she left. And man, that's hard. The song is really pretty. All the members killed it. And feel like that leg. Y'all like that? Okay, I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm wearing sweats because I have no class. But yeah, it was pretty. I liked it. This honestly, they so far have had. I think my type is on their debut Welcome Back album, and if that's the case, then this album sounds like it's on freaking fire. So that means I'm gonna have to buy it. I have a lot of albums I'm supposed to buy, but the store that I buy them from just closed shop recently, and I have to wait for them to reopen, so that's not beneficial to me at all. But life, whatever the case may be, Airplane was awesome. I really liked it. So next, and I hit that John Hand. Next, I'm just kidding. If you don't understand that reference, then you don't have his album, or you haven't heard his entire album full. But whatever. Anyways, bye. That's not my goodbye. I'm sorry, I actually forgot. Okay, I'll be back in a few, but have a super awesome-tastic day. I'll see you the next time I make a video, which I hope will be very soon. And I love you so very much, interwebs.